Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add tools to tools bar on your TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to add tools on your tools bar on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening up your TradingView app, guys, on this interface you can see the charts button at the bottom left corner of the screen just beside the watch list. Tap on the charts button and you'll be over here. Now you can see this is our toolbar over here. Now to add tools to this bar, just tap on the pen icon at the bottom of the corner where it says the pen. You can see if I tap on it, it says the fixed range volume profile. Tap on the pen icon and you can see, guys, these are the tools currently available on our toolbar. Now in order to add more tools on it, just tap on the tools or trend lines. You can see there are a lot of tools over here. To add on it, just tap and hold on the tool which you want to add. For example, let's tap on the cipher pattern over here and you can see the add to favorites button. Let's tap on it and let's add some other tools to our toolbar, and let's go to the geometric shapes over here and you can see the rotated rectangle. Let's go with the triangle. Let's go with the eclipse over here, or the ellipse. Tap on it and add to favorites, and let's go back and let's go back and let's tap on the three dotted icon on this bar over here. At the bottom of this bar you can see there's a three dotted icon. Let's tap on it and you can see all the tools we have just added: the ellipse, the cipher pattern, and you can see all the tools which I have added on it. Now you can see this is the toolbar. You will be required to tap on the three dotted icon of the toolbar at the bottom over here like this, and then all of your favorite tools which you have added on the toolbar will be available for you. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add tools to your toolbar on your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.